Okay, hello everybody, I'm Luigi and I'm a remote sensing expert. So this is my first approach to the pottery materials, also about the Roman period. So I would like to show you a brief overview about what we collect during the two surveys we took in Iskra in March 2018 and 2019. I prepare some brief explanation, but I would like to go farther to the point of our materials because we are a little late. So I would like to highlight only on the materials we collect during these surveys. So the survey took place in a lot of areas, but I would like to show you only the one for Fort Parallélogramme. That is our top site of our research. So what I would like to show you is about the chronology of the materials. We would like to know the phases of the site. All the materials were collected during a superficial survey, so we don't have any stratigraphic data. We have only surface analysis. And also we would like to know if these materials are local production or or about only the African terra sigillata, the one in Tunisia, where the main production center were in Tunisia. So I will show you only the results of the terra sigillata, and the common pottery we will show you another time because we don't have so much time. So this is the context of finding. So we see a lot of the materials are superficial one, and these materials were collected during a systematic survey that was the focus of my next presentation. So I will go a little further and I will show you directly the materials. First, I have 3 examples of a local production, a local variant of the type IS91. This is a local variant identified for the first time in Sétif, with this bowl with this large applique under the rim, and is specific for the Algerian site with this specific form, and chronologically we are in the 5th century AD. Also, we have another example of the same type, and we have another local variant of another type. This is the Sétif number 28, localized in 1970. Is for the production group of ceramic E, and also this the chronology of this type is of the second half of the 4th century and the 5th century AD. So with the local variant we see the latest phase of the occupation of the site of Fort Parallélogramme. We have also some African terra sigillata site, the production of the Tunisia. We have IS70 of the group C, the production C. It's a little more fine terra sigillata production with a more bright red slip. And it's most of the time this type was in association with coins of Constantius II. The coin findings is the focus of the next presentation. So I give to Elisabetta to tell you what the coins we will find. So We have also another typical type of the African production is the IS-68. We have not the full rim, but we have only this part. It's broken on the rim, and the chronology is always the same. So we can highlight exactly in surface the materials about the latest phase. We have also some decorated pottery with palm branches and rosettes, and it's typical from the Algerian type. And the specific palm branches were found in Gemila, highlighted by Ale in 1957. We also collected some lamps. Also typical of the African production, and from the same period. We have this lamp with this specific decoration. The type is the lamp type 54 from the Bonifay classification, variant G, and it's in the production C3 and 4, of the production group C3 and 4. And we can see the decoration with this key row type and with geometric on the border. The latest material I would like to show you is a lamp always type 54, the variant E with geometric decoration and with a geometric decoration in the rim and also in the center. So this is the first group of material we have studied, but we have also a work in progress with this type of materials, and we hope we can find also more about the earlier phase of the Fort Parallélogramme, and we hope I can show you some more the next time. So thank you and see you later.